Blessed is the man that does not walk in the counsel of the wicked, nor stand in the way of sinners, nor sit in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law does he meditate day and night. For he shall be like a tree planted by the river of waters, that will bring forth her fruits in due season, whose leaf shall not fade. So whatsoever he shall do shall prosper. Hello everyone, I just want to make a little short video on why it's important that men know how to cook. And here's why. If you're a single man and you're out on your own, well, you need to know how to cook instead of just ordering takeout all the time. Two, when you do get married, you can be a helpmeet to your wife as well. And what I mean by that is, I've come across so many men who don't know how to cook. They'll say like their wife's out of town, or their wife was down, you know, because she was sick and they didn't know how to cook, so they just got pizza, whatever. And I'm scratching my head because I'm wondering, I'm like, why is that? And I think they just assume that the woman is gonna cook. I'm not saying that there aren't certain men who like to cook. I like to cook, actually, and it's not because I have to, it's because I enjoy it, actually. It's almost therapeutic to me, but it's important. I've taught my boys how to cook, and so that they can be better husbands and be there for their wives, so that way your wife can depend on you instead of you depending on her to make sure that there's a meal, because she's not always going to be able to. She will get sick. She, you know, Lord willing, if you have any kids. So again, it's just the manly thing to do is to know how to cook. He knows how to cook for himself. He knows how to cook for her. Something that's gonna be healthy, something that's got substance to it. I guess the point I'm trying to get at is you become a bigger asset and a better father and a better husband if you're married. But you're also, if you're not married and you don't have kids, you can learn how to cook for yourself instead of ordering takeout or buying frozen dinners or things like that. One, it's just something that you need to know how to do. So again, my boys know how to cook. I've made them get in there with me, and we've cooked meatloaf and fried chicken and salmon and all sorts of stuff like that. So that way, again, when they're on their own, they know how to cook a good meal, and when they get a wife and some children, that they can cook for them as well. I know not every man enjoys it, but you at least need to know how to do it. There are just certain things that both spouses, husband and wife, need to know how to do so that they can help each other. So I'm gonna be doing some videos soon on how to cook. I'm not gonna get fancy with you because that's not what I'm about. I'm about just some good home cooking to teach men mainly, but if women want to join in, that's fine too. Just to teach you some simple recipes that you can do and they taste amazing. So anyways, I hope you look forward to that soon. I'll be doing my first video here probably in the next day or two, and I'll be cooking up some chicken fingers. Just some homemade chicken fingers. I hope that you join me with that video. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please go ahead and do so. And I'll see you soon.